In this video, I will guide you exactly how to add your voice inside ElevenLabs. So without any further ado, let's just dive right in. Here as you can see, I'm onto my dashboard of ElevenLabs, and from here you need to head over to the left side of your screen. And once you're there, you can see we have text to speech option, but this is not where you should be headed. You can head over to your voices and create or clone your voice. So you need to be making sure that in order to create or clone your voice, you need a subscription for ElevenLabs, and you can get that by flat 50% off using the link in the description below. And you can see for this we need audio which is around a minute long, and you upload that in here onto this section, and then you can add your audio onto ElevenLabs. Then once you have your audio, you can head over to your text to speech option, and in here you can search that audio in this voices. Let's just say it was Alex. You can search in here for Alex, and you can see we got our audio related to that. And that's how simple it is to get your audio inside ElevenLabs. I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching.